This is the piece that pouring water. This plastic design here is pretty shitty. It's online, they say a lot of folks having trouble with this. Anyway, I went down to the friendly hardware store, namely Home Depot, and bought this. I'm getting ready to put some of this handy dandy thread tape here on it, tighten it all up, and see if I can make this thing where it won't be leaking all over me. Okay, I got this baby taped up and put together. I'll get it out of this vise without dropping it. Okay, got it good old-fashioned thread sealer shit on there. So, this baby down here on this, go ahead and flip this mama here up on her ass and see if I can get that crescent wrench and screw it in there and test drive it. Okay, I got her ass on there now. Test drive it and see if it's gonna leak.